In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt in Roblox from your computer. So we're going to start by heading over to the Roblox website and just ensure you're signed in to your account. Now click on Create in the top navigation, select Creations from the left-hand side, click on Avatar Items and click on Classics. Now click on the drop-down arrow and select Classic T-shirts. Now click on Upload Asset, and from here you can go and upload your own custom logo for your t-shirt. You'll then need to go and select a name and also a description for your t-shirt. Now this is just going to help other people find your t-shirt if you add it to the Roblox store. Once you're finished, go and click on Upload in the bottom navigation. Now once your t-shirt's been created, scroll down to the bottom and you should be able to find your t-shirt. Now to make this public in the Roblox store, just click on your t-shirt like so. Scroll down to on sale and make sure this is turned on. And then you'll need to go and set a price for how much you want to sell this t-shirt for. So I'm going to set mine to 50 Robux. And you'll see there will be this publishing fee. This is how much it costs to go and publish this to the Roblox store. So you're going to need 10 Robux in your account and then we can press publish item. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.